Hi, welcome to my channel APG.STUDIO. My name is Alicia, fitness and yoga expert, and today special session how to recover from shoulder injury. Okay, I'm not talking about any accident when you done something to your bones. Okay, I'm talking about the muscles. So it's not about the shoulder muscles impingement, is about shoulder pain, usually caused because you just overuse your muscles in your shoulder and in your arm, which I did for myself, and this is how far I can lift. Oh, it's much better today, right now. So first thing, if you've got shoulder pain, stop exercise and really rest for the next 3 days. If it's very painful, use some painkillers. Good idea to put some ice pack for 15 minutes, like 2-3 times per day. And at night, what I'm doing right now, I put the heat pack for during the night on my arm. Okay, and it's much better. It was so painful 2 days ago. Even without any movement, the pain was just unbelievable, and I start to feel very stiff muscles even close to my neck, and my arm and hand was almost numb, but it's much better. So this is my 4th day today. I've done some simple exercise yesterday. Just to the moment you're not feeling any pain. So if you've got this situation, shoulder pain, you can't force movement. I know you've got the picture. Yeah, there was somewhere here. Now, yeah, that's it. So right now you've got a few exercise for shoulder pain, for shoulder injury recover. Okay, ready to start. You can use chair or could be table. I don't have table today, so yeah, I've got just chair, but something you can just use for right now for your hand, your arm, which is fine. My affected area is my left, so I'm placing my right. You can see as a left. See, that's a trick. I always say your left side, but it's actually my right shoulder. Okay, so I'm placing my left hand because I'm going to work with my right shoulder, and I'm trying to just relax my arm muscles, which is not easy to do, but I'm not forcing. Just try to take a minute, take time to relax. Avoid dropping your head because that's not good. It's not good for your neck. All the time you're trying to be very conscious what you're doing. Okay, if you're working for your shoulder, control your position. So when you've got weak muscles in your neck, is your chair. Table is a little bit higher, so you'll be fine. But if you've got chair, ask me, bend your knees, okay? And you're trying to relax this side when you've got this pain. And if you're ready, you're trying to move your arm with circles. First, just one side, without forcing the movement. We're not trying to force the range of movement, okay? You don't want to hurt anymore. Just want to heal and make your muscles stronger, okay? And be more flexible, because that's what's happened. Because I didn't do anything, I haven't done anything for 3-4 days, and that's it. Be longer, you've got the frozen shoulder. That's it. This is how you end it if you stop to exercise completely. Okay, and try in other direction. Yeah, this one is harder, so I need to make this movement even smaller when I'm going anti-clockwise, because I can feel it just right here in my shoulder. Trying to control your breaths as normal, so you've got the rest of your body relaxed. And relax. Now, if you sit chair, I need to just make deep squat position, so my legs much wider than my shoulders. But if you've got the table, so your arm's gonna be somewhere here. So what we're trying to achieve, you've got your forearms parallel, so you're going to move your body down to work with the muscles in your armpit. Inhale And exhale, trying to keep your position as upright as you can. And again, no pain, all right? Just trying to work what we have at the moment. The range of movement is very limited, for sure, but we can't force it, all right? Inhale, and slowly exhale. And when you're feeling, yeah, that's it, and you want to do any more repetitions, you can just stop. Or if you find, you can try a few more. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Maybe one more. So make sure as you're going down with your hips, you're not lifting your shoulders. You got your shoulders the same position, so you're working with your muscles in your arm and your shoulder. Okay, let's go back. So the next one, keeping your forearms close to your body, making 90 degrees angle. And you're just moving your only the affected area, which is my right. You can see us left. And you're just moving. Could be one, could be two. And again, avoid forcing. I know my, yeah, could be here, but not this time. I can feel it. It's just right here. So that's it. Day by day, it's gonna be more. If you're going to feel muscle stronger, you can use the elastic band in your other hand. You're holding and you just got a little bit more resistance to work with the muscles. But it's important, your arm is just close to your body. If you imagine you put something here and you don't want to drop it, so you keep the elbow the same position all the time. Inhale, slowly exhale. To relax your shoulders. Okay, and relax. The muscles tired. Gonna be sore again. This is the sign. That's it. You just have to stop. If you're fine, you can try to lift your arm. Check how high you can lift. And that's it. Again, without forcing, without going to the moment your body is compensating. You've got the feeling arms higher, but if you've got your position upright, it's actually the same height. So it's important to start to move your arm after 3-4 days, depends what's the pain. And you just work what you have, that's it. Inhale and exhale. Another one. With your elbow bent this time. Usually you feel your arm straight, but we just lost the range of movement. So it's no way I'm going to lift arm here and pull. It's going to bend my elbow, and I'm just trying to pull just at the moment is still comfortable for me. Okay, could be some pulling sensation here, but as long as it's no pain, that's okay. Yeah, that's too much. That's it. And again, try to relax your shoulders. If it's too long to hold, maybe after a few seconds you're going to feel, yeah, so you need to just release the tension. You can try. Inhale when you've got position, which is the start, and exhale as you pull. Inhale and exhale. And the next one is to stretch your muscles in the upper part, your neck area on the side, which is when you've got the pain. So it's not that stiff today. I was doing this exercise last 2 days because there was no pain. So that's okay. But if you're going to feel muscles really tight and it's uncomfortable, don't go that far, of course. It's really important for any recovery, muscles recovery. You're not crossing the line when you're feeling the pure pain. This is the sign, it's just too much. And instead of healing your muscles, you can just make them even worse. And this is very nice stretch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You can turn your head side to side. If your pain gets worse when you turn your head to the other direction, could be the impingement, shoulder impingement. And now just work with the muscles in your hand and your arm as well. Could be both if you like to, or just the one when you struggle to move right now. Okay, stretch. It's very important. After 3 days, full rest days, you start to do some simple, very gentle exercise. Okay, so I think that's enough for now. You're going to continue because that's the way. So this week is all about the shoulder pain, shoulder injury recovery, and you're going to see how I'm going to progress with my shoulder. So hopefully it's not going to be that long. When I done some research on the internet, like 4-6 weeks, I'm hoping it's going to be much quicker because that's my job. So probably for me it's going to be a little bit shorter time. So I hope this video is going to be useful for you guys, or maybe you know someone who suffer with frozen shoulder or has some pain in shoulder area, so you can just send them the link to the video. So thank you for watching. If you find it useful and you like the exercise, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, I'm going to ask you, if you've been watching first time and you enjoyed it, subscribe and click notification bell. And I see you tomorrow at the same time. Bye for now.